This is a story of innovation, taking a great idea and making it even better. Elder Corporation is a 60-plus-year-old excavating and site development company out of Des Moines, Iowa. When we visited with Elder in 2013, they had recently purchased one of the largest lube van bodies that Maintainer Corporation has ever produced. Then shop manager, Brian Moran is now Vice President of Mobile Fleet Assets and Maintenance. He tells us why Elder Corporation recently added a second large lube truck to the fleet. Have you really grown that much?
We have. We've kind of exploded, and that's where the need for the second lube truck came aboard. I would say in the last, let's call it 8 years, we've probably doubled in size. Basically, we've just added more equipment. We've needed to add more support staff, from our lube techs to our mechanics, field mechanics. So currently we're trying to maintain a fleet of 300 pieces of equipment, heavy equipment. We've ventured out into different projects, if you will. We're now into concrete and asphalt recycle. We are also doing land clearing. So we have a tree grinder and a forestry mulcher. We are into more utility work with back trucks, sewer cleaner trucks, camera inspections with doing underground inspections for utilities. It's very important to have reliable trucks that we can rely on servicing the equipment, maintaining the equipment, repairing the equipment. So with the technology of building the new truck that Maintainer's taken on, the engineering department was great to work with, and they were able to show us the differences from the old truck to the new truck and what we could make better. We've made some changes of the access to the truck from the left side of the truck to the right side of the truck. We've moved oil tanks around. We've moved, decrease some tanks, increase some tanks to be able to better serve our fleet. We've added another oil to the truck. We have more storage space, tremendous amount of storage space added. So there's been a lot of added value to the new truck.
Due to updated technology in materials and design, Maintainer was able to shave 3,000 pounds off the total weight of the new lube truck as compared to the 2013 version. Service technician CJ Murano gives us a tour of some of the features of their new lube truck.
In this compartment we got some just nuts and bolts, some drain fittings. When we're done with our samples, we'll throw them in there till the end of the day. Our old truck doesn't have a jump start, so that's new for us. Yeah, the layout's a lot different than our old truck. Everything's in order somewhat. So like you have 10 weight, 30 weight, 50 weight. Controls are set up that way, so they're all the same. The hose reels are set up a little different. Our air are sitting down low, where on our old truck we had to pull them down and they used to drag along the side. We actually fit more back here than our old truck. And we use that extended bench down there as our workbench when we're working. So this compartment's nice. We do a lot of winter work, and our old truck is not heated, and this compartment's heated. We actually went with, our other truck had one short box, and we went with 2 long boxes because it was getting pretty tight with the tools we have. So now we actually got extra room, but wrenches, hammers, pliers, and then the air tools. We got air tools and battery power tools in this compartment. All extra filters we have, oils, additives. No comparison to the old truck. There's a lot more room. But you get up in the old truck, you're tight going back there, and you don't have all this room. And I think technology got a lot better since 2013. With the tanks, lightening the tanks, it's not as bulky. We don't have a big bulky pump rack and stuff like that was in our old truck.
That's what's cool about the whole deal, or about this story, I guess, if you will, or the history of this, is we were able to take the same 2 guys that we sat down and built that truck off of to build this truck. So, and then to sit down with the engineering department and say, okay, you guys know what we had, this is what we want to have, and let's make it bigger, better, badder, if you will, and we did.